Okay, this is the no frills version of how to draw a graph and table in under 3 minutes. So go into Excel, blank workbook. Let's type in some data. Okay, so always put the independent variable on the left. Okay, so there's a few cities. Let's put this into a formatted table. So I will just left click up here and left click again to press and drag. So keeping my finger on the left mouse button, dragging over here to the right hand corner on the bottom, and then releasing my left finger, and now right clicking over the selected area to format the cell. Oh, something happened there. So I'll try again. Left click and drag, release, left mouse button, right click, some quiet please, and format cells down here. So let's do some formatting. Border, outline, make it thicker, change the color, whatever color, thicker, and internal borders, make it thinner, and voila. Alright, so let's put a background to my headings, and so I'll go down here or up here. I normally go down here to format cells and go to fill, and I choose a medium grey for my background for my headers. This is overlapping a little bit, so I will adjust the width of the column. Okay, and now to create the graph, I will select my area, so left click and drag. Again, release left mouse button. Then I will go up to insert, and because my data is actually, let's go first. Because we have our independent variable here and our dependent variable over here, which is what we're measuring. This data here, the independent variable, can be in any order that you can think of. So this will be a column graph. So insert over here to graphs and charts, and I'll choose this one for columns, and I normally choose a 2D column like this. Okay, there we are with population. Now I'm going to change the size and location of this graph. So let's make this bigger. Okay, and let's add some axis titles. Alright, so click, and let's edit the names. And always when you draw a graph, the vertical axis is the dependent variable, what you're measuring. And don't forget to put the units of measurement, which will be linears. And the horizontal axis is your independent variable, the thing that you're changing or is different. So here we have city, and there's no units measurement for this one. Now let's go and paste this into Word. So let's go to Word. Blank document. Okay, so there's my show hide button on. Now it's off. Back on. Choose my insertion point somewhere over here. Go back to Excel. Alt Tab. There we are. Copy my table. Right click. Copy. Go back to Word. Alt Tab. Insert. And I choose this one normally, or just Control V. And now choose my insertion point for my chart over here. Say, go back to Excel. Click on the chart area there. Right click. Copy. Alt Tab to switch windows, and paste. And I'll choose whichever one, this one or this one. doesn't matter. There you are. How to draw a table graph in Excel and copy the word, paste the word in under 3 minutes.